Actually, myself, one real carpenter, and a couple of laborers. Yeah, well, that was one of the things that when we were looking at the different systems and discussing them was panel size and weight, because I knew with the circumstances being what they were at that time, that I was going to have a pretty short team and I was going to have inexperienced guys. So I was very concerned about how the system went together and what kind of weight system we had. And we didn't use any machines. We picked them up and placed them or rolled them in place on rollers. I mean, it was very Egyptian. And it worked out real well.
I took videos of day one of those guys using PVC pipe rollers to roll the first panel up a very small ramp with snow all around us. And it was amazing.
Yep, worked well.